Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'll show you how you can check your battery capacity. So at the first, you have to simply open the Play Store, tap on the search pool, type Ampere, and we have to get that application, the Brain Trap. Right now open, click yes agree, tap close, and click OK on the left bottom corner. Right now we got different theme of the same data when we swipe on the right, and here we can find the exact capacity of our battery. We can also find here other data. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.